In this video, I will show you how to add and update using Spring Boot and Postman. Okay, so now let's take this to the next level with a demo. I'm gonna create a function with the post method to handle the saving process. Let your postman to take this down. You can see the last ID is 111. Next up, let's generate a user with the ID 1 drop. Let's set the ID property to your identity generation. Let's modify the method post and execute the program. Let's refresh it. You can see the ID 112 has been successfully created. This is a newly added user. Next up, we will building the next update functionality. Here, the both post and post method are valid for this action. I'm gonna change the name of this user. Oh, sorry, I should have you post for this operation. Everything is okay. Now, let's check to update. Thanks for watching.